Hello friends, in this clip we shall discuss about sex determination in different animals. In 1891, a scientist, Henking, while studying spermatogenesis in wasps, observed that 50% of the sperms carried a stained body. That other 50% they were not carrying this stained body. He called this as X body. It was later named as X chromosome. Since X chromosome plays role in sex determination, it is also called as sex chromosome. While working on the nerve cells of cats, Murray Barr, the name of scientist Murray Barr, observed a darkly stained body in the nucleus. So here you can see the darkly stained body of the nucleus. He called it as Barr body. He also observed that it is found only in case of females. It is found only in case of females. So Barr body is found only in case of females. So it is absent in case of males. Okay. Later, it was established that female mammals have this Barr body in all the somatic cells. So earlier, it was discovered only in the nerve cells of cats. And later, it was established that female mammals have the Barr body in all the somatic cells. Now this Barr body is nothing but an inactivated X chromosome. Since there are two X chromosomes in females, one of them becomes inactive and forms a Barr body. Now these two discoveries were very important that led to the idea of sex determination. So you can see only females have the Barr body, males they lack the Barr body because males have only one X chromosome. Now let's see different types of sex determination. Now sex is determined by allosomes or sex chromosomes. There are different types of sex determination. We shall discuss them one by one. First, XY type. XY type of sex determination. It is also called as XX-XY type of sex determination. It is observed in Drosophila and man. Here, females have two X chromosomes and males have one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. Females produce one type of gamete. Female produces one type of gamete having X chromosome, and males produce two types of gametes, one having X chromosome and other with Y chromosome. If the sperm carrying X chromosome fuses with the egg, then the resulting individuals will be females. And if the sperm carrying Y chromosome fuses with the egg carrying X chromosome, then the resulting individuals will be males. Now you can clearly see here that it is the sperm that is responsible for the determination of the sex, because there are two types of sperms are produced, and ovum is only of one type. The female gamete is only of one type, having only X chromosomes. So it is the male gametes that determine the, or you can say it is a male, who determines the sex of the individual. And here females are homogametic. That is, they have the same type of allosomes. So they have similar types of allosomes, X and X. Males are heterogametic because the allosomes are different. Here you can see X is different, Y is different. So when the allosomes are dissimilar, we use the word heterogametic. When the alleles are similar, when the allosomes are similar, then we use the word homogametic. The next type of sex determination is ZW type. It is seen in case of birds. Here, the females are heterogametic, having two types of chromosomes, two types of allosomes, Z and W, whereas males are homogametic, having two Z chromosomes. Female produces two types of gametes, one having Z chromosome, other having W chromosome. Whereas males, they produce only one type of sperm, male gamete. When the sperm containing Z chromosome, when the sperm containing Z chromosome fuses with the the ovum containing Z chromosome, then the resulting individuals will be males. If the sperm fuses with the ovum containing W chromosome, then the resulting individuals will be females. So here females are heterogametic, males are homogametic. The next type is XO type or XXXO type. Now this is observed in many insects including grasshopper. Here females have two X chromosomes whereas male has only one X chromosome. So this O means 0. So there is no partner X chromosome in case of males. So males have only one X chromosome whereas females have two X chromosome. If the sperm containing X chromosome fuses with the female gamete, okay, then the resulting individuals will be females. And if the sperm containing no X chromosome, okay, where chromosome is lacking, it fuses with the egg or female gamete, then the resulting individuals will be males. The next type of sex determination is haplodiploid type. Here the females are diploid. Okay, so this is observed, haplodiploid type of sex determination is observed in case of social insects like honeybee. Okay, so this is the sex determination in case of honeybees. So in honeybees, females are diploid and have 32 chromosomes, and males are haploid having 16 chromosomes. Female germ cells undergo meiosis to produce haploid eggs. So the germ cells will be, female germ cells will be diploid, and when they undergo meiosis, the chromosome number is reduced to half. Now, female germ cells undergo meiosis to produce haploid eggs, whereas males undergo mitosis. Males undergo mitosis to produce haploid sperms. Okay. Haploid sperms. Some of the eggs, here you can see, some of the eggs undergo parthenogenesis. Some of the egg undergo parthenogenesis. You already know what is parthenogenesis. It is nothing but development of an individual without fertilization. So some of the eggs undergo parthenogenesis to produce haploid males. Thus, males are produced without fertilization. Males are produced directly from the ovum or female gamete without fertilization. That is why they are haploid. Some eggs, okay, some eggs, they fuse with the sperm. Okay, and they produce diploid females. Diploid females. Hence, females are diploid here because here both the sperms, okay, sperm and egg, they fuse. Okay, so in short, males are formed without fertilization, males are produced without fertilization, whereas females are produced after fertilization. So females are the products of fertilization. Okay, now let's solve some questions. Bar body of a mammal represents. So this we always said. Okay, anyway, we shall discuss that. All heterochromatin in female cells. No, it is not all heterochromatin. It is only the X chromosome, additional X chromosome in female cells. All heterochromatin and male and female cells. No. So it is absent. Okay, bar body is absent in case of males. So this is not correct. The Y chromosome in the somatic cells of males. No. So because we already know that bar body is nothing but inactivated X chromosome. So Y chromosome is not involved here. One of the two X chromosomes in the somatic cells of female. This is the correct answer. So there are two X chromosomes in case of females. One of them remains active and the other becomes inactive and forms the bar body. So bar body is found only in case of somatic cells of females. Identify the wrong statements. In male grasshoppers, 50% of the sperms have no sex chromosome. That is, X chromosome is absent in 50% of the sperms. It is found only in 50% of the sperms in grasshopper. So this statement is correct. Here you can see 50% of the sperms have X chromosome and remaining 50% they do not have X chromosome. So this statement is correct. Usually female birds produce two types of gametes based on sex chromosomes. Yes. So female birds they produce two types of gametes, one having Z chromosome, other having W chromosome. So this statement is also correct. The male fruit fly is heterogametic. Fruit fly is nothing but Drosophila. Okay. So in case of Drosophila we find XY type of sex determination. Okay, so the male fruit fly has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. These two chromosomes are dissimilar. That is why the male fruit fly is heterogrammatic is correct. In humans, the female gamete or ovum decides the sex. No, in case of humans, it is the sperm that decides the sex because two types of sperms are produced, X and Y. And if the sperm containing Y fuses with the eggs, okay, or ovum, then the resulting individual will be male. Or if the sperm carrying X chromosome fuses with the ovum, then the resulting individual will be female. So this is the wrong statement. In birds, males are heterogametic. No. In birds, males are homogametic because they contain two Z chromosomes. That is why they are homogametic. Females are heterogametic. Yes. In birds, females are heterogametic because they have two different types of allosomes. That is one Z and that is W. So these two statements are incorrect. So this statement is also incorrect. So this is correct. In birds, females are heterogametic.